Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a short video on how to remove a broken bolt if there is still a couple threads sticking out. First of all, we find a nut that can screw onto the threads, like so. And you just snug it. Now we weld the remainings of the bolt to the nut, like so. Now we try to remove it, see if it works. It actually did work. Nice. It was completely stuck in there. That's why it broke in the first place. But then when you weld it, first of all, you create a little bolt head on it, but also you heat it up deep inside there, and it just breaks loose. So it does two things. It heats up and it creates a new bolt head. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.